Brilliance Audio presents Lost in Math, How Beauty Leads Physics Astray by Sabine Hossenfelder, performed by Laura Jennings. The Conundrum of the Good Scientist. I invent new laws of nature. It's what I do for a living. I am one of some 10,000 researchers whose task is to improve our theories of particle physics. In the temple of knowledge, we are the ones digging in the basement, probing the foundations. We inspect the cracks, the suspicious shortcomings in existing theories, and when we find ourselves onto something, we call for experimentalists to unearth deeper layers. In the last century, this division of labor between theorists and experimentalists worked very well, but my generation has been stunningly unsuccessful. After 20 years in theoretical physics, most people I know make a career by studying things nobody has seen. They have concocted mind-boggling new theories, like the idea that our universe is but one of infinitely many that together form a multiverse. They have invented dozens of new particles, declared that we are projections of a higher dimensional space, and that space is spawned by wormholes that tie together distant places. These ideas are highly controversial, and yet exceedingly popular, speculative yet intriguing, pretty yet useless. Most of them are so difficult to test, they are practically untestable. Others are untestable, even theoretically. What they have in common is that they are backed up by theoreticians convinced that their math contains an element of truth about nature. Their theories, they believe, are too good to not be true. The invention of new natural laws, theory development, is not taught in classes and not explained in textbooks. Some of it physicists learn studying the history of science, but most of it they pick up from older colleagues, friends and mentors, supervisors and reviewers, handed from one generation to the next. Much of it is experience, a hard-earned intuition for what works. When asked to judge the promise of a newly invented but untested theory, physicists draw upon the concepts of naturalness, simplicity or elegance, and beauty. These hidden rules are ubiquitous in the foundations of physics. They are invaluable, and in utter conflict with the scientific mandate of objectivity. The hidden rules served us badly. Even though we proposed an abundance of new natural laws, they all remained unconfirmed. And while I witnessed my profession slip into crisis, I slipped into my own personal crisis. I'm not sure anymore that what we do here, in the foundations of physics, is science. And if not, then why am I wasting my time with it?